What it do? It's your boy Codehova from Fly Combinator. We're going to be pimping Swift. We're moving on to part 2 of Booleans. In this video, we're going to be talking about the logical operators. So right now in this code, we have a bank constant, which is equal to 4,000. Let's say we got $4,000. And then the current time is 3 p.m., right? So let's create two new constants with what we learned in video 1. So it's like enough cash is the bank over 2,800, all right? And then let write time equal to current time is greater than noon, okay? So both of these are true. So it's like let ready to cop. Before I go on to that, let me just make a comment of what the two logical operators are. This is the and operator. And this, the two pipe symbols, which is shift, reverse backslash. This is the or operator, okay? So let me just, now I'll keep that break. But anyways, we got this new constant of ready to cop. And this is when we do the logical operation of enough cash. We have enough cash and it's the right time, okay? So this is the situation when we try to go meet the plug, and he has two requirements for you to do. You have to have at least 2,800 to come see him. If you don't, you're gonna get in trouble. All right, probably a fucking gun to your face. But anyways, it's like that is one of the conditions. The other condition is that he's only gonna meet you after noon. He's only gonna meet you after he takes his kid to school. He go pick up some food. After his meal, he'll go see you. So that's why it's 12. So because we have a true and true situation, this is gonna also be equal to true. So if we change this to or, this will also be true. Because when you have when you have the and operator, everything here, it must be true for it to be true. But if we had a situation where it's or, let me just change this to or, and let me change this time to 11, this will also be true. Because as long as you have enough cash, he'll see you at any time, okay? But if we change this to and, you're in trouble. Because he ain't gonna meet you at 11. You have to meet him at 12 or after. Okay? So what you need to know is when you're dealing with and, everything in that equation must be true. Like, let me show you. True and true and false. This is gonna be equal to false. Okay, it's false. But if you have or, this is true because we have a true right here, and it's going to be true or false. As long as there's a true, you're good. Okay, and just like I have done here, you could put as many logical operators together as you'd like. There's some times when you want to wrap certain ones up in parentheses to make sure that not only is it easier to read, but there's some cases where you need to make this is going to be, you're going to need to find out the Boolean value of this, and then you're going to compare it with that. So all you need to know is that this is the Boolean logical operator, the and or. The and is where everything must be true for it to be true. Or and the or is there just got to be one true for it to be true. All right, let's keep it rocking.